To find out how to make these craft organizers, stay tuned. To begin, we're going to clean off both of our containers. Make sure that you get off any dirt or grime that may be on there. Next, you're going to remove the shells from your organizers and take the actual base outside and spray paint it. You can use any color that you want, but I use this kind of soft blue. These will be stored under my bed so that I keep my supplies neat. So the color works. It doesn't have to match the color scheme of my room. Next, I'm going to paint the knobs with this chalkboard black paint. Like I told you guys, I'm really trying to get rid of this paint, so I'm using it for any and every project that I can. Once everything is dried, you'll take your organizers back inside and you'll reassemble the drawers inside the organizers. They slide right back in, easy, and there's no issues with pulling them out or pushing them back in. Next, you'll go ahead and you'll glue your handles onto your organizers. Now, of course, you could use the little lip that comes with it, but we're looking to elevate this craft and make the DIY a little bit more unique. So I took these drawer pulls from an old dresser that I had, and these are the ones that I spray painted. So I'm just going to hot glue them onto each drawer that I have, 3 on the little one and 1 on the big one. And this is what the organizers should look like once you have finished assembling them, once everything got fully dry. I think that they came out really cute. Their fresh look on plain plastic organizers and adding the little knobs completely elevated the craft, in my opinion. I think the color is really cute. It's a fun craft color. And I tried to organize each one of my drawers with my different supplies that I can use. And this should help make doing my DIYs a lot easier, because in the previous bin that I stored everything, it was hard to locate what I needed. But now with everything being organized, this one has like all my stickers and my graphics that I've gotten from the Dollar Tree. It's just going to make doing DIYs a lot easier and a lot more fun. And I hope you guys decide to make them. If you do, make sure you tag haiku_creations on any of the socials.